great day, great start of the week. Very pumped because we ran some sales and we got out some very important quotes for some cases we're very interested in getting into. I was thinking it's really the importance of the network. Always been a very lonely entrepreneur, startupper since when I was very little and a kid. I started really building stuff from 11, 12 years old. I kept going, and it always been very alone. And this year I started to really open up to the world, and it's a very enriching experience, and I see that it's changing completely my life. Great day yesterday. Went to the Politecnico of Milano for a kickoff for a project. I shared with the student this brief for supporting us in a performance marketing project and also to use AI for that. So it was fun. I met a good friend that were used to work on Acquazzurra project when he was a manager there. Wake up very early today. It's a great day in Milan, sunny, finally, some good days. Getting out now for a marketplace event with TradeWhite, and I'm gonna work the whole day from there and see if there is something interesting for a new process automation. And yeah, let's go.
Guide the brands and walk together towards growth, starting, of course, from the strategy analysis preliminary to activating.
Saturday night, another crazy week, but very exciting, honestly. Got a chance to have many feedbacks on pricing, product positioning, many thoughts on this, and I cannot stress out enough for anyone doing any kind of business the importance of getting fast feedback, iteration, testing different things, and focus, which sounds strange because I'm just saying, testing different things and focus, but it's really connected. I think you need to be very clear on what's your current goal, which could be getting clients, which could be building a product. You need to be very sharp about this and how to get there. Some learnings during this week. Top managers are getting a very high attention on AI automation in general. Keeps growing and it's very healthy for the industry because it's such an important leverage. I see many of them struggle to understand the difference between the use of AI and AI automation. So the personal use and AI automation for processes, my core business basically. Many questions are around the quality of the output. Can it really do that? there is a bit of skepticism, of course, around it. So being able to demonstrate its functionality, the level of quality, it's very, very important. And so I'm working on it a lot. And fourth, I see a very competitive advantage in terms of pricing, even if you are keeping the level of the quality of the process very high by going into AI automation. So I think for the industry, speaking about the usage of AI automation for luxury and fashion, for example, the key is to go high on quality and preserve a bit of that potential margin to be super reliable on quality. So we will go, I think, for this positioning, starting to work with premium brands, going into luxury, and focusing on more simple tasks and services, and moving into more complex solutions, building trust, demonstrating with good POC what's really the cutting edge right now and where the quality using AI and by still saving money as a good compromise. Super valuable to connect into events with other people, which could be potential customers, but also talking with competitors, which may not be direct competitors, but for example, in my case, I'm going in building service for AI shooting, and they are shooting traditionally content for fashion, and so yeah, it's a good way to collect feedback, understand the needs from the market, and understand the trajectory of and the vision of others in the same market. So very valuable, together with the power of the network that you're developing and by connecting with others in your same industry. And it was like a very exciting week.